Good morning, aspirants. And this is the CSAT classes presentation from Srinivas IAS Academy. You may contact us for offline as well as online classes across the country. Thank you. Yeah, we shall start. And today's session is about ranking and row based reasoning related. Ranking and row. And we shall start by solving questions. Rohan ranks 7th from the top. Rohan ranks 7th from the top and 26th from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? Fine. Now you can see there are one thing we need to remember here is drawing arrow marks, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, arrow marks. With the help of arrow marks, that is completely connected with 3 chapters. One is ranking and row, another chapter is directions related, third chapter is blood relations. If we know how to draw arrow mark, 3 chapters are solved. See, what is up arrow? Up arrow is like this. This is up arrow. Down arrow, how to read down arrow. Left arrow. Left arrow. Right arrow, like this. So this is the up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, how to read like that. Huh? Right. So now we can see question. Let us see that. Rohan ranks 7th from the top. Then you have to draw the arrow mark from the top. Okay. From the top. Rohan. Put R. Rohan ranks 7th from the top. He is to be 7 here. Then how many, after how many will come here? To above him, how many are there? 6. That is the thing. Rohan ranks 7th from the top, in the sense above Rohan there are 6, then he is counted as 7th, right? And 26th from the bottom, and 26th from the bottom. From the bottom he is to be 26th. Then how many people behind him are 25. 25. Then becomes 26th. That is the information. In a class, how many students are there in the class totally? Above him, how many are there? So below, how many are there? Now it is known. Now what you need, total, what is the size of the class? It means you have to put the total, you have to sum up. What is this is 25 plus Rohan plus 6. What is this total? 32 is the answer. Every alternate year you are facing one single question from ranking and row. If you see, look at the previous papers and everything. Because you are allowed to solve 8 to 10 questions, easily solving will be there. One is coding, decoding, ranking, like number related, number series, alphabet series, like that. Okay, 8 to 10 questions you will have. Very simple questions. Even we are solving little tougher questions also. Right. So this is the one thing. Arrow marks is what? See, when you come to the, let us move on to the next question. Manik is 14th from the right end in a row of 40 boys. It means what is given in the question is that Manik is 14th from the right end. From the right end. Right end means how do you write? This is the right end, from the right end. Manik is 14th. How many are here? 13. In a row of 40 boys. What is the size of the row? 40. What is the size of the row? 40. Okay, Manik is 14 from the right end in a row of 40 boys. It means total size of the row is 40. And what is his position? from the left end. What is his position from the left end? What is his position from the left end? To know the position from the left end, you need to know how many people are there to the left of Manik. That is not known. We need to find out. How to find out? What is the total size of the row is what? 40. 40 minus Manik minus 13. 40 minus Manik is what? 39. 39 minus 13, 26. There are 26. It means you can also cross check total. Total must be 40. 26, 27, 30, 40. What is the position of Manik from the left hand? 27th. 27th is option D. Next question. In a row of boys facing north. Okay, again, this is related to the directions. Facing north always on a piece of paper or on a board, on any surface, if you show the mark, upward direction must be considered as north. Even we need to know in the directions related also. North, upward direction. It means in which direction you are facing me? North. In which direction I am facing you? North. In which direction is the main door? North. In which direction fan is rotating? North. Theoretically, everything should be considered as north. Why? Because to the left of, to my left north on the board is also same thing. So on a piece, writing on a board, upward direction must be considered as north. In a row of boys facing north, that group of words is read. A is 16th from the left end. A is 16th from the left end. A is 16th from the left end. 16th means there are 15. 16. And C is 16th from the right end. C is 16th from the right end. Right end. B, who is fourth to the right of A? B, who is fourth to the right of A? This is A is there, right of A. B, fourth right. It means there are 3. How many boys are there in the row? The total, what is the total size of the row? It means you have to align everything. So what is thing now we have to see now here? Information. In a row of boys facing north, A is 16th from the left end and C is 16th from the right end. B, who is fourth to the right of A, is fifth to the left of C. Okay. B, there are 2 informations for B. Fourth to the right of A, fifth to the left of C. Fifth to the left of C. It means there are 4. Okay. Now C, after C how many are there? 15. What is the size of the row? You have to put up the total. 15 plus A plus 3 plus B plus 4 plus C plus 15. 16, 19, 20, 24, 25, 30, 40. 16, 3, 19, 20, 24, 25, 40. This is 40. Option B. Okay, yes, we shall move on to the next question. In a row of 40 girls, you have to download the information from the question. Total girls are 40. You have to mark the 40 total. When Komal was shifted to her left by 4 places, her number from the left end of the row became 10. Okay. let us see. When Komal, Komal was shifted to her left by 4 places, her number from the left end of the row became 10. Okay, this is Komal. So becomes 9 becomes 10th, right? This is happens when after shifting 4 places to her left. It means one more, let us draw. It means 4. Yeah, this is the after shifting. This is after shifting. This is the original position. This is the original position. What was the number of Swati from the right end of the row if Swati was 3 places to the right of Komal's original position? What is the Komal's original position? This one. This is the Komal's original position. Swati was 3 places to the right of, Swati was 3 places to the right of, this is Swati, 3 places to right. Now, what is what is the total size of the row? 40. 40 minus balance will come here. 14, 16, 17, 40, so 23. You can cross check the total. 23, 24, 26, 27, 30, 40. Now, what was the number of Swati from the right end of the row? Right. This is what? 24th. 24th. Option E. Like. Because here you need to draw both also. After shifting, original position. Next, 3 persons A, B and C are standing in a queue. 3 persons A, B and C standing in a queue. We need not to download any information from the question here. Right. There are 5 persons between A and B. Now we need to download the information. Between A and B, how many people are there? 5 people. And 8% between B and C. And 8% between B and C. C. If there are 3 persons ahead of C, if there are 3 persons ahead of C, okay, ahead of C means how do we can write? Let us write, we can write. I think this is more understanding. See, and 21 behind A, and 21 behind A, 21 behind A, like that we can write. Now, then what could be the minimum number of persons in the queue? Okay, sometimes they ask minimum, sometimes they ask maximum. Both we should know, that is how to draw. Okay, now I put like this. Let us also draw information. Now we can see the question. I think we have downloaded the question. Information has been downloaded from the question. We have to align everything. Now what is simple one here? Total is not given. What is 3 persons above C, ahead of C3? It means you can write, this is C. How many are here? 3. So this information has taken. Next, what is the information? C is there. C and B, there are 8 people. C and B, there are 8. Where do you put B? All up, above or down? Where do you drop B?
Both sides.
How it is possible? Because above C there should be only 3.
Down.
Below you have to write C and B. C and B, how many are there? 8. Like. And B and A, this information is taken. And B and A and B, there are 5. B is there. A, where do you write A? 5 only. So above B or below B?
Below.
Below B. Why it cannot place above?
Behind 20.
That is also possible. That is after that we can see. But A and B between how many are there, should be there? 5. You can also put A here, also here also.
But for C you said 3% should be higher, no, sir?
Above C.
Sir. Then 21% should be behind, no, sir, for A.
Okay, you can write, if you put A also, you can write 21 like that.
Then B, if you place above also 3% should
Yes, yes. You can see, now A you leave it first. I am talking about A and B. I am talking about A and B, where you can, why only you should write below? Can't you write here? You can write. That is the thing. See, now you can also write A and B. This is A and B. How many are there? 5. Even you can also write here. Alternate. This is 3. This is 8. Okay. And like A and B, this is what this is? B. A and B 5. Because there are 8 people are there. You can mark A also. You can also draw A also. A. This is 5. Like. Okay. And the totally there are 8 means 2 will come. Now behind A how many are there? 21.
3, no, sir.
3.
Huh?
3 are
8
there,
minus
sir.
5.
8 minus 5, 3.
No, but A? If you take A, don't you count A?
Yes, sir. 5 is 8.
No. There must be 8 people between A, C and B.
A. 5.
A also should be counted. No? The total 5 plus A plus 2.
8.
8 people. There must be 8 people between C and B. If A comes here, A is also counted. Right. So now, behind A how many are there? 21. This is 21. Right. Even if you write A is what happens now? A 21 means already 5 is there. 5 plus 1, 6. 21 minus 6. How many it will come? 15. 15. 16 plus 5, 21. This is the maximum. This is the minimum. This is the maximum.
Maximum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yes.
Minimum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ.
Maximum everybody will do, immediately put raw like that. Because people attend the classes, no? What should be the minimum? You have to reduce the size. Even the same question was asked in CSAT. I do not know really, some in 2017 or 18 something like, same question. But this is actually old question in SSC, this is. Hotel management course. This row is of 40, this row is of 28.
Sir, A, B, C ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ ಈ ಥರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ A, B, C ಅಂತ
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
A, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ A,
A.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ B. ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್ 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ C.
8.
A and B, how many people are there? 5.
8.
B and C, 8.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ 21 ಅಂತ.
A behind 21. A behind 21. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 14. 14 means...
A behind ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸೊ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
No, if you put top like this, you can put like this. Or top, how do you write from top?
ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್.
Top means how do you write? Which of the direction you can write? There is no thing.
So I is written as before A, 21.
If you take behind A means again top means you have to write like this. You have to keep one theme.
Sir, 6 meter, sir.
6. Yes. Then what about the C, above C?
3 people is there, sir.
Above
Eight,
C3. Above C3, no?
Sir.
Because question is what that is, you can see that. Read the question. 3 persons A, B and C are standing in a queue. There are 5 persons between A and B and 8 persons between C. If there are 3 persons ahead of C. If there are 3 persons ahead of C.
If means only 3 should.
Yes, there must be 3 only above C. Not more than that. Whenever if comes in aptitude, the real question starts. If there are 3 persons ahead of C.
If 21 behind A means A should come here only, sir.
Wherever it comes, it may be.
No, sir, the question.
Above C there must be 3, that's all.
Then ahead of C and if 21 behind A means this arrangement only we should take, sir.
This is also correct. This is also correct.
If for
But subject is asking what is the minimum requirement? What is the minimum? This requires 40 people.
sir, if
That requires-
if for 21
If
behind,
if means only that is not
21
for
members.
if is only for C.
no sir, if question changes as if
Question changes, then is
I'm
okay.
asking,
Yes.
then 21 should be here only.
Yes. No, even this also possible. This is also right. No.
Sir, can you tell
There
how
must be 21 behind A. This is also 21. This is also 21.
Sir, can you tell me how you got 28?
Huh?
28 how?
You have to put up the total 15, 16, 21, 22, 23, 28, sorry, 15, 16, 21, 22, 24, 25 plus 3, 28.
Sir, B is 16. Then add 5. Then add 8.
See, 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 3, 23.
Plus 2.
Plus 2, 27. A, B, C is 3 people are there. This is 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Plus 3, 25. 3 people are there, no? A, B, C, 3 people are there.
8 we should not count.
Everybody must be counted.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ split ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 8
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು 8 ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಸರ್ 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಕಿತ್ತಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ 8 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ದೆನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
This is the 8 here.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
Instead of
between B and C.
yeah, this is right.
Just
Okay,
like
now.
8, sir.
Between
Use
B
that
and C
five
there
to-
must be 8.
Sir, I understood.
Ah.
I was counting 8 also, along with counting 5A and
This 8 is split into
Five.
like this. Okay. Right. The what is the option? 28. Because 40 is also given. See that. That is a maximum. It says minimum. Next. Aman is 16th from the left hand. Aman is 16th from the left hand. It means the left hand in row of boys. And Vivek is 18th from the right hand. Vivek is 18th from the right hand. Gagan is 11th from the Aman. Gagan is 11th from the Aman. Gagan. 11th means there are 10. Towards the right. And third from Vivek. Okay, this is another information is there. So now we can see Aman is 16th from the right hand. Okay, Gagan is 10th, 10 here, and the third from Vivek. Gagan is a third from Vivek. Gagan is third from Vivek. That this is Vivek. Third means there are 2, and to the right of Vivek 17. Yes, and how many boys are there in the row? How many boys are there in the row? 25, 27, 34, 44, 47.
Sir, third from the Vivek towards the right hand ಅಂದ್ರೆ Vivek right ಈಗ ಗಗನ್ right ಈಗ
Alva? See, that is towards the right.
Right of Vivek or right of Gagan?
No, see, 16 from that is over. Vivek is 18 from the right. Gagan is 11 from the Aman towards the right. And third from Vivek towards the right. Okay, this is also right only. This is also right. This is Aman.
15.
Aman is 15. This is okay.
Next to Vivek.
And this is Gagan. This is right. And Vivek, see, is third from Vivek towards the right end. Gagan is also right of Vivek. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is Vivek. Third right means if you put 2. This is totally 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Cut this. And to the right of Vivek 17, already 2 is there, plus 1, 3. 17 minus 3, 14. Like 14, 15 and 17. Yes, right, now it's okay. 16, 23, 24, 26, 27, 31, 41. 16, 23, 24, 26, 27, 31, 41. 41 is the answer. Option D. Option D. Next, I think we need to increase the font size here, no? In a row of girls, Kamya is 5th from the left. Kamya is 5th from the left. And Preeti is 6th from the right. Preeti is 6th from the right. When they exchange their positions, then Kamya becomes 13th from the left. Kamya becomes 13th from the left. What will be the Preeti's position from the right? What is Preeti's position from the right? But total size of the row is not given. So because all of them are in a single row, in a row of girls, there is only one row. And here total is known. 12 plus 1, 13 plus 5, 18. 18 minus 5, 13. It means 14th. 14th. That's answer. 14th is the answer. Next, Shyam ranked 9th from the top. Shyam ranked 9th from the top. 9th from the top and 38th from the bottom. 38th from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? You have to put the total. 8 plus Shyam plus 37. 37, 38, 46. 46. Option B. A class of boys stands in a single line. One boy is 19th in order from both the ends. One boy is 19th in order from both the ends. From both the ends. How many boys are there in the row? 18 plus boy plus 18. For 36 plus 1, 37. 37. In a row of boys, G1 is 7th from the start. G1 is 7th from the start and 11th from the end. And 11th from the end. There are 10. G1 is counted, 11th from the right end. From the end. In another row, this is the row 1. This is the row 1. In another row of boys, because is 10th from the start. Because is 10th from the start. There are 9. 10th from the start and 12th from the end. 12th from the end. 12th means 11. End. How many boys are there in both the rows together? How many boys are there in both the rows together? This is what is the size of the first row? 17. 6 plus G1 plus 10, 17. And second row, 9 plus 1, 10, 21. Total 7, 8, 38. Option C. Now, in a class of 60, let us write 60. The total size of the class is given in the question is 60. Where girls are twice the top boys. Where girls are twice the top boys. Let us put girls, boys. How many boys we do not know. Let the boys be 1x. Girls twice the girls, boys 2x. Girls are 2x, boys are 1x. Okay. Now when it is see, that is what happens here. Total 3x. 3x equals to what? 60. X equals 20. X equals 20. Girls are how many? 2 into 20. Boys are 20. So girls are 40, boys are 20. Total put together is 60. That's very simple. Okay. Okay. Now you can see even this question was appeared. This the RRB 2002 question. This is Railway Recruitment Board. But this question was appeared in 3-4 years ago in CSAT. Again, same as it is like this. Kamal ranked 17th from the top. Kamal ranked 17th from the top. Kamal 17th from the top. It means 16. The top. If there are 9 girls ahead of Kamal, and the girls are 9 plus boys. How many boys there? Total put together is what? 16. Girls are how many? 9. Remaining are boys. Then boys is 7. Girls ahead of Kamal. How many boys are after him in rank? How many boys? Number of boys equals to question mark here. Okay. The total boys are how many? 20. 20 boys are here 7. Kamal himself is a boy. 7 plus 1, 8. 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8. 12. So there are 12. Option C. Next, Nitin ranks 18th in a class of 49 students in a class. What is the rank from the last? Very simple one. This is again. What is the total size of the class is what? 49. Nitin ranks 18th in a class of. Nitin ranks 18th means from the top only. 18th means there are 17. But below him, how many people are there? 49 minus this. 49 minus 18, 31. You can cross check the total. There must be 49. 31, 32, 39, 49. Okay. What is his rank from the last? 31. After 31, what will happen here? 32nd rank. 32nd. Option D. Try to solve this question. This is the fastest scoring area, if you ask me. These questions cannot be left out, cannot be done incorrect. Now, in a row of boys, there is one row. A is 15th from the left. A is 15th from the left hand. It means 14. And D is 17th from the right. And D is 17th from the right. If in this row, real question starts here. If in this row, A is 11th from the right. A is 11th from the right means there are 10 to the right of A. Then what is the position of D from the left? What is the position of D from the left? Because total is not known, total is not given in the question. Let us see what is the total in this row. 14 plus 1, 15 plus 1, 25. The total size of the row is 25. 25 minus 17, there are 8. 9, 25. It means what is position from the left? 9th. Option C. Yeah, did you get this? How to solve this? Now, in a row of boys, this is 4th from the right. Okay, this is a different question. In a row of boys, A is 15th from the left. A is 15th from the left, and B is 4th to the right. B is 4th to the right. How this is?
4th, sir.
In a row of boys, A is 15th from the left and B is 4th from the right. B is 4th from the right.
3.
There are 3 boys between A and B. There are 3 boys between A and B. Right. A and B. C is just left of A. C is just left of A. C is just left of A. What is the position of C from the right? What is the position of C from the right? This is the information which is given in the question. You have to align everything now. Now let us see that is 14. This is done. And A and B, there are 3 people. C is just left of A. C is just left of A means what? This becomes what? 13. 13. Okay. And B, to the right of B is 3. Between A and B, 3. A and B, where do you write A and B?
Sir, got it.
B, right of A and B.
Yes, sir. And 3.
3.
4.
To the right of B.
3.
In 3.
Add 1, sir.
3 plus 1 plus 3 plus.
13, 15, 15.
Right in the category, C position. 3 plus 1.
What is the position of C from the right?
9th position.
Right. 3, 4, 7, 8, 9th. Becomes 9th. 9th position. Okay. Option A. See, that's all arrow mark business. Nothing else here. This one, direction, blood relation. Pure out and out based on arrow marks. Now, Rohit is 17th from the left hand. Rohit is 17th from the left hand. Right. Of a row of 29 boys. What is the total size of the row? 29. And Karan is 17th from the right hand. Karan is 17th from the right hand. It means 16. How many boys are there between them in the row? Okay, this is only one row is there. It's a one row. Now you have to draw the information. See, now you can take Rohit is 16. And let us complete the row. Total size of the row is what? 29. 29 minus 17, there are 12. 1. If you take Karan's information, from the right end is 16, and now we can see the 12. This is the Rohit information, this is the Karan's information. But question is what? How many boys there are between them in the row? Between them in the row. It means you have to see, now we can see here, now by seeing that you can also say how many people are there between them in the row. From the left end there are 16, from the right end, from the left here 12. What is the difference between thing? That is, you can draw one more if you want. Okay, this is the 12.
3 people.
Right. 16, 13, there are 3.
29 minus 16.
Did you not get this?
Sir, 29 minus 6 is sir, 13.
16 plus 1, 17. 29 minus 17. You have to count again, recount. Total size should be 29. 16 plus Rohit plus 12. This is the Rohit information, this is Karan's information. But whenever the question is asked between them, how many people are there, means both you take from the left end or right end also. Either way you can take. So there are 3 people between them in the row. Option A. Now, in a class of 35 students, 35, let us take 35 here. In a class of 35 students, Kamal is placed 7th from the bottom. Kamal is placed 7th from the bottom. It means there are 6. Sonali is placed 9th from the top. Sonali is placed 9th from the top. Pulkit is placed exactly between 2. Pulkit is exactly between 2. Right. What is the position of Kamal's from the Pulkit? Okay, that question can be seen later on. Okay, now this is the information which we have downloaded from the question. Now right, we can align everything here. How do you align? Which you take? Which would you like? Even this can be done only later on. Whether we should start here or start with this only. How do you start? Let us start with Sonali. Sonali is 8th. Okay. And now we can take how many people are there? Total size 35. 35 minus 9? 16. 26. Okay. 26, 27 plus 5, 35. That's right. Now, what is need? Now this is taken, and this information is taken, and this is Komal's position you have to take, and like Komal comes here. What is a Komal? 6 here. It means how many people will come here? This is totally 26. 26 minus 7, 19 will come. 19 will come here. Okay. And Pulkit is exactly placed between 2. Pulkit, this is a Pulkit. 19 minus Pulkit is what? 18. 18 we can make 2 parts. 9, 9. Here is 9, this is 9. And what is the question is what? What is the Kamal's position from Pulkit? This is the Pulkit, Kamal's position. After 9, It's a 10th. This is the 10th. Right.
So can you explain?
Now you have to read the question properly. In a class of 35 students, you take 35 like this here. It means if you write the information properly like that, you can download the information, you need not to read the question again and again. If you are reading the question and again, it means you are bound to lose that. Better you drop that question.
Sir, I got it. I got it.
You get it?
I didn't see 35.
Yes, that's what I'm telling. See, that's what when I solve on the board, you must see the board how I solve, not solving the question. How to solve is more important than solving any question. I'm telling you this again. Everybody is brilliant. So whenever I solve it, when I show the shortcuts, long information, how to download the information, how to note the information, that is more important, not just solving the question. Next, in a row of 40 children, okay, you have to write 40. Then you need not to read that group of words. P is 13th from the left hand. P is 13th from the left hand. And Q is 9th from the right hand. Q is 9th from the right hand of row. How many children are there between P and R? If R is 4th to the left of Q. If R is 4th to the left of Q. This is R, left of Q. 4th means there are 3. Now we have to see that is how many people will come here. What is the size of the row? 40. 40 minus 9, 12, 13, 27. Again you have to restart counting. There may be error also in the subtraction and additions. 27, 28, 31, 32 plus 8, 40. Now it is okay. Now question is what? How many people are between P and R? P and R, how many people are there? This we have not adjusted still. This is not adjusted. Now what happens here? P is 13th from the left. R is 28th from the left hand. There we have to adjust. Let us take P here. This is a 12. This is totally 27. 27 minus 13. How many will come? 14. So on. Between P and R, how many people are there? 14. Okay. And this question specifically suits CSAT. Now, Richard is 15th from the front in a column of boys. Front means you can put in any form like that. Richard is 15th from the front in a column of boys. Richard. th, there are 14, right. There were thrice as many behind him as there were in the front. Front, how many people are there? 14. Behind is said 3 times. 14 into 3. It means this is 42. How many boys are there between Richard and 7th boy from the end? 7th boy from the end. 7th boy means 6. There are 42 here. 42 minus 7. This is 35. 35, 36 plus 42. Now this is not required. Between how many people are there? 35. Option C. Next, in a class, among the past students, in a class, among the information is all about what? Past students. You have to read question, even passage also, because you have the passages also here. That's why how to read is more important. In a class, okay, there is a one class. Among the past students, the information given in the question is what? Related to the passing students. Amisha is 22nd from the top. Amisha is 22nd from the top. It means there are 21 above him. Top. And Sajal, who? It means Sajal, who? Sajal, who is 5 ranks below Amisha. This is Sajan. There are 4. Amisha is 34th from the bottom. 34th from the bottom. Right.
Sir, Amisha is 34 from the bottom, not the Sujan.
No. Sajan, who? It means talks about this only.
Correct, sir.
Like and, if and is there, then it will come. Now on the bottom, all the students from the class have appeared for the exam. See, in a class, every student has appeared for the exam. When every student from the class is appeared for exam, what would be the result? Pass or fail. Pass or fail. There is no absentees. That's it. And now we can see all the students from the class have appeared for the exam. If the ratio of the students who passed in the exam, ratio pass to fail, exam, so who passed in the exam to 4:1. This is a 4:1. Now we can see that is class. Okay. Now this is the past information. What is the total? 21, 22, 26, 27, 30, 60. This is 60. This is 4x equals to 60. 4x equals to ratio in the 4x. Total number is 60. 4x equal to 60. X value is what? 15. Okay. Now question is what? How many students are there in the class? Total students. Total students is what? 5x. 5x. 5 into x value is what? 15. 75. Total students 75. This is the question.
So 5x is 4 plus 1.
See, ratio is given 4:1. Where is the ratio that who passed in the exam? This is the ratios. Passed is to fail. Pass ratio 4, fail ratio 1.
So out of 33 students, failed candidates here.
This is not 30. All information given in the question related to the past information.
In that 33 people, failed people are
No. You have not read the question properly. That's why. Fail we do not know. Fail only we come to know one ratio. These are all related to the past information.
That is all related to how many people are there in the class.
No.
Yes, sir. When you add
This is only past information.
passed.
We don't know how many failed. The ratio, there are 4 ratios. In numbers, there are 60. You have to equate. Left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. 4x equals to 60. This is information which is related to the only given past students. Question is what? Total how many students?
Past students.
Yes. That's what I am telling you, how to read the question. Not just simplifying. Everybody will solve the paper. Subject to having more and more time. That's why when I solve the question, you must see the board. In a queue, there is one single queue. A is 18th from the front. A is 18th from the front. While B is 16th from the back. While B is 16th from the back. If C is 21st from the front, A is 25th from the C. 25th, there are 24 here. Okay, front, exactly in the middle of A and B. That is information. C is exactly in the middle of A and B. Like, how many persons are there in the queue? What is the total size of the queue? This is the information we have taken from the question. Now you have to align everything now. Okay. Now we can see what light you can take or you can write here. This is A,
17.
17. This information taken. B, we do not know.
B is
C, where to, no, okay, see, where do you write C?
Between.
How do you write between that is?
C is exactly between.
No,
A.
see that, B, and you see, now, see, this is also from the front, 24. This is C. 24 means how many are there?
24 minus 18.
18, 24, 18, 6. 6, 7, 24, that's right. And now this information is taken, and C is exactly between A and B. Here 6 means this is 6, this is a B, and this B like this is a 15. This is the total. Now you have to put up the total. 18, 24, 25, 31, 32, 37, 47. Let us check once again. 16, 22, 23, 29, 30, 47. Total is what? 47. Option C. This is option C. Okay? Yes, next. In a row of girls, Rita and Monica occupy the 9th place from the right end and 10th place from the left end. Okay. Rita and Monica. Rita is a Monica. Let's write here. Monica occupy 9th place from the right. This is the 9th place from the right. And 10th place from the left. 10th place from the left. Like that. Left end. Respectively. If they interchange their places, interchange. This is Monica. This is Rita. If to interchange their places, then half of the question we have downloaded. Then Rita and Monica occupy 7th place from the right. Right, and 18th place from the left. 18th means 17. Respectively. How many girls are there in the row? How many girls are there in the row? Total you have to size. Now what is the total? Girls are there in the row. We can't, this is... now we can see 18, this is 26. This is something wrong. Rita and Monica occupy the 9th place from the right and 10th place from the left, respectively. They interchange.
16.
No, why this is 16th?
17th place from the right.
Rita and Monica occupy 17th place from the
Right. 16th.
Yeah. 26. This is all 26, 26. This is okay.
26.
But 26. What is the size of the row? Is 26. Okay. In a row, there is only one row. In the beginning is given. In a row, only one row is there. Okay. Yes, next. Now this is the time is there. Okay. We can start off this time sequence related. Now we can see Arush's birthday is on Tuesday, 27th April, and what day of the week will be Mithil's birthday in the same year if Mithil was born on 28th September? Related to the calendar related also this problem. Okay. Now Arush's birthday is on Thursday. This is Thursday, 27th April. On what day of the week? In the same, if Mithil was born on 28th September. 28th September. Now we have to see what is the total number of days difference between them. Now we can see this is the 27th April. What is the size of the month? 30 days month. April is the 30 days month. After 26, how many days left out? 28, 29, 30. 3 days plus. May 31 days. May 31, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31, September 28 days. You have to put up the total for all these things. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, 1 carry. 4, 7, 10, 13 to 53. 53.
So, August 27, sir?
September 28.
28.
This is 154. Okay. Now 7 2s are 14, 7, 22 weeks this is. We have to see what is the total number of days between them. So after 27th April, how many days left out? 3. June is the month of, May. May is the 31 days. June 30 days month. July 31 days. August 31 days. September is given 28 days. What is the total number of days? 154 days. That should be converted into the weeks. 154 by 7, 22 weeks. 22 weeks means again it falls on Thursday only.
Remainder 0.
Thursday. Remainder is, there is no remainder, no? Remainder is 0. So 22 weeks means falls on Thursday it will come. Again, this is very lengthy process. You can reduce the size of the thing like. For example, if I say that is I will come and meet you on 10th day means which day it will be? If I say that is I will take next class on 10 days, 10th day I will take means which day would be that? So we do not say, you have to do like that. So 10 number of weeks, convert into number of weeks, 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 3 days. 1 week means what is today? Thursday. 1 week means again is what? Thursday only. 3 days after Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's like that. 1 week means exactly again is a false on same. If I say that is I will come and meet you on 100th day means, well, how do you take 100? By 7. 7 ones are 7, 3, 7 4s are 28, 2 days remain. 14 weeks is not taken. Thursday it will come. 2 days. After Thursday, 2 days. Friday and that will be the 100th day falls on Saturday. It's like that. So now even this is a very lengthy total this is. This can be avoided also. How you can avoid? For example, you can say what is the 3 days like. You can write like this instead of putting plus also. You can avoid that.
So
And
3 days is after 27, 28, 29, 30.
April, how many days in the month of April? 30. After 27th, how many days left out? 3 days. Even don't put plus also. And May is the month of 31 days. How many weeks, how many days?
4 weeks.
1 day.
4 weeks.
4 days.
May is the 31 days. How many weeks will come? 4 weeks will come. 4 weeks to 3 days. 4 weeks don't take into account. Only you put extra days. May. June. 4 weeks, 2 days. You take only 2 days. July, 31 days. You take 3 days. August, 3 days. This is 4 weeks. Put 0. Again you are putting all divisible by 7. You can do here it's all. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 7, remainder is what? 1. We have done in divisibility test for 3 and 9. And 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 7, 0. No odd days. It means falls on Thursday. We need not to write entire information like this. This is a time consuming process. It's a lengthier one. You can cut there and there itself. We did this in divisibility test. Divisibility by 3, divisibility by 9. This is divisibility by 7. Total. You are putting total and divisible by 7 to convert into number of weeks and odd days. It's like that. Answer is what? Thursday. Okay. Yes, next. You do it for this. Nasir's birthday is on Thursday, 18th May. Thursday, 18th May. On what day of the week will be Rehan's birthday in the same year? Was born on same year, 19th August. 19th August. Right. No. Okay, now May. 2 August you have to reach here. What is the size of the month May? 31 days. After 18, how many days left out? 13 days. Right. Next, June, 2 days let us take. July, 3 days. August, 19 days. August 19 means 19 by 7. 2 weeks to 5 days. Take 5. Okay, 13 plus 2, 15. 15 by 7, 2 weeks, 1 day, 1. 4 plus 9, 2. 2 days. 2 days means what? After Thursday, 2 days. Friday, Saturday. Friday and Saturday. This is option B. It's like that. You have to reduce you have to be smart enough to do the work. Yes. Next one. Ayush's birthday is on Monday 22nd of May, and what day of the week will be Nero's birthday in the same year if Nero was born? Okay, do it by yourself now this one. The same question, names are changed, dates are changed.
Monday.
Right. Monday, 22nd May. On what day of the week will be Nero's birthday in the same year if Nero was born on 30th October? 30th October. This is the question mark. Right. May to October you have to travel. May is the month of 31 days. After 22 days what? 9 days.
Yes.
May, June 2, July 3, August 3, September 2, October 30 means 30 by you can take only 2. Okay, 9 by 7, remainder is 2, 2 plus 2, 4 by 7, 0, 7, 0. It means falls on Monday. That's right. That is the thing. Next, this is also same, you can do it by yourself.
Yes.
Did you get the answer?
Yes.
Did you not get? That is Tuesday. Tuesday, 11th April. August. 31st August. Right. Let us take April. April is the month of 30 days. 19 days. May 3, June, July, August 31 means you can take only 3. 19 by 7, 2 weeks, 5 days. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 7, 1. 3, 6, 9. So 2 days. 2 days after Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday is the answer. Option D. Now Sangeeta remembers that her father's birthday was certainly after 8th. certainly after 8th. You can take immediately, you can start writing from 9th. Question, see that. Sangeeta remembers that her father's birthday was certainly after 8th, means you can start writing from 9. But before 13th of December, before 13th, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 cannot be written here. So how we should solve the question, how you should download the information from the question is like that. Sangeeta remembers that her father's birthday was certainly after 8th, you can start 9. But before 13th, up to 12 you can write, we have written. Her sister Natasha remembers that their father's birthday was definitely after 9th. After 9th means 10, okay. But before 14th of the month, 11, 12 and 13, right, over, inform. This is the information. And on which date of the December was their father's birthday? Common dates. What are the common dates for both of them? 10th, either 11th or either 12th. There is no specific date. 10th also is possible, 11th also is possible, 12th also is possible. Data inadequate, insufficient data is like that. Okay, yes, next one. Fine, we shall wrap up the program. We shall assemble back tomorrow. Have a nice time.